Hey there, it's Dr. John DeGarmo, the Foster Care Institute. Tip of the week. There's one thing that foster parents, caretakers, caseworkers seldom take seriously enough, and that is gut instinct, that gut feeling. As you care for children in your home or care for children in general, if it's a child that you know and you've got this gut feeling, this gut instinct, if you will, that the child is somehow in trouble, trust your gut instinct. Maybe there's a child in your home right now who is really struggling with school. You've got this gut feeling that something's going wrong in school. Maybe there's some bullying or something like that. Maybe they're struggling with visitations. Maybe they're just having a hard time in general, and you have this gut feeling about it. You don't have any concrete evidence, but you've got this gut feeling that there's something wrong. You've got to trust that gut instinct. I think back to years ago when I was a teacher, and I had this gut feeling, this gut instinct that a student in my classroom was being abused at home. I had no concrete evidence, but I have been seeing signs for some time. I recall staying awake late at night thinking about it and waking up early in the morning and making the decision that I was going to document what I had seen and then contact somebody about that. Turns out I was right. She was in an abusive home, and nobody else had contacted or made any type of documentation about it. Fortunately, that girl was removed from that home, that abusive environment. But if I had not, I shudder to think what could have happened. There may be a child in your life in some way, and you've got this gut feeling that something is wrong. Maybe it's even one of your relatives. Maybe it's a child that belongs to a relative of yours. You've got this gut instinct that something is just not right. Trust that feeling. Trust that feeling. Document it and then report it. Because if you don't want to regret what might have been. You don't want to regret not reporting it if there's some type of danger. So go ahead with that gut instinct of yours and trust it. Hey, if you like this tip, make sure you go to the Foster Care Institute and sign up for our online training webinar program where you can get dozens and dozens of online training webinars about this topic and so much more, CEUs, printable certificates, free ebooks, and so much more at the Foster Care Institute. Now, trust that gut instinct of yours. I'm Dr. John DeGarmo.